Hello everyone, welcome back to class. Today I'll show you how to fix the waistcoat buckle. So I have my waistcoat already made, so I just want to fix the buckle and I felt, oh, let me show my people, my online students, how it is done in case you want yours. And this is very simple to fix if you can follow how it's been done step by step. So when you have a pass in the direction I illustrated earlier, you stitch at the tip together with the other one. You can see I have mine done already. So I'm going to apply the other buckle. Ensure it's laying flat and you pass it through the first one you did. Each one has two, though we have some buckles that are just one, but this waistcoat has two. Ensure it's properly in this direction. Then you pass the other stripe inside the first one we did in order for you to fix it into one side of the other one. So you pass it through from the top to the downside of it, then you pick it up the other way around and stitch in this direction. Now that I have mine done, you can see that I turn it the other way around. So this is what it's going to look like. If you want, you can pull together so the waistcoat can be fitted around the waist. Thank you for watching. Please like.